welcome back to my channel. So today for you is my month in review for May of 2024. I had one finish, I have 3 whips, and then I'm going to show you what I plan to try to work on in the month of June. So the finish I had was this one here. This is from Diamond Art Club. It is Undersea Dreaming by Mandy Manzano. It is a 47 by 78 centimeters. It is a round. There was 2 ABs and 39 colors. I started this on April 5th and I finished it on May 20th. So that was my only finish for the month. But I do have getting everything squared away. So my first whip going into June is this whip right here. This is a mystery kit from One with the Diamond Art. It is round. It has 30 colors with 1 AB. So this is our Mystery Monday painting. We have 3 squares left, so this will be finished in the month of June. The second whip I have going into June is this one here, which is from Jaded Gem Shop. This is The Painter by Magnum Duty. There is no special drills, but there is 46 colors. As you can see, I did not work on this in the month of May, but I am trying for the month of June. I want to get these 9 squares done, and then I'll move on to the next painting type thing just to keep it moving. This is a lot of confetti and I don't want to get burnt out on this, so I am going to do these 9 squares, but I'm hoping maybe I can break it up a little bit more with working on another painting. And then my last whip is my Paint Gem mini set. So I have been working on this since March. It just has kind of went on the back burner. I really haven't had a lot of time to work on it, but I do have a couple of these finished. So I have this one that's finished. So these are just the ones that are finished. I will count this as a whole finish once the whole Paint Gem Mini is done. So I do have 6 of these done, and once I have the rest of these finished, it will be a full complete. So I do have these. You might hear my daughter and my mother-in-law for a minute, but I just have a few of these left. I have 6 left, and I do plan on finishing them in the month of June. And then what do I plan on working on if I have time? Well, we kitted this kit up together from Distracted by Diamond, so I am going to be working on her, the Distracted Darling. And then I still have Medusa. So this is a larger one. I don't think I'm going to be able to get her all in frame, but I think we are going to do something different next month for a series, and she's going to be a part of that series. So once that I get that video filmed and everything, you will know more about it. But anyway, so that is my monthly wrap up and what I plan on doing and the whips that I have, and hopefully I will finish one of them. I'm hoping to finish maybe 2. Or actually I will finish 2. Maybe I can do 3. But anyway, so yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one.